We'll continue the same chapter. The name of the chapter is Blind Dog, and this is part 2, and this is the beginning of the story. In the last video, we have discussed learning objectives for this chapter and did a pre-reading activity. In this video, we are going to see the beginning events of the story. So, this is the main story. There is a picture. There are three main things. Let me number it first. 2 and 3. So, now pause the video. In your notebook, write what are these three. Yes, I am going to tell now. Before that, when I tell, you can cross check. Number 1, I am sure all of you are correct. Yes, it is a dog. Number 2, a man. But what type of man? I am expanding and showing. Yes, looks like a blind man because he is wearing a dark glass during daytime, because there is everywhere it is bright. So, that means probably he is okay, there is sunlight or not, it is not clear, but yes, he is wearing a dark glass, and yes, he also wearing some torn dress. He could be a beggar. Excellent. So, I have written only mostly blind. So, anybody who has written as a beggar is also correct. And what is 3? Okay, it looks like a bush, looks like a pavement, looks like some lady is walking. These are all okay, no problem. But most important, let us connect between the dog and the man. What is the dog doing? He is helping the man move forward. Yes, some of you have written correctly. It is a chain, also called as a lead or leash, with which the dog is held by the man, and the dog is helping the man to move forward because he is blind. So, now let us see the story. So, this page is about dog's appearance, that is how the dog looks like. The chapter is starting, so I am going to read. All of you put your finger on each and every word when I read. It is called a read aloud. It was not a very impressive or high class dog. It was one of those commonplace dogs and one sees everywhere, color of white and dust, tail mutilated at a young age by God knows whom. So, as usual, what I am going to do, I will first read the paragraph, then I will show you the difficult words meanings, and then I will explain the paragraph. Born in the street and bred on the earnings and garbage of the marketplace, he had spotty eyes and undistinguished carriage and needless pugnacity. So, let us see the meanings. Mutilated, tail has been cut, bred, grew up in this story. The other meanings for bred, in this story the meaning is grew up. Undistinguished carriage means it is a normal appearance, he is not having any exotic appearance. I will see when we explain the word, I will again tell you, explain this paragraph. Needless pugnacity, pugnacity means in a fighting mode. So, the dog what we saw is a very normal dog. It is not a high class dog like a German Shepherd or a Dalmatian or what else you may be knowing. It is not a pug like this. It is not an exotic dog, it is a normal dog, and normally what we see everywhere, it is a street dog. The color will be either white and brown or a dusty color, because nobody gives them bath. So, they are always rolling on the road. We see number of dogs in our school also. The tail mutilated, you would have seen all of the dogs, their tail has been cut, but nobody knows how it got cut, God knows who has done it. They are normally born in the street, puppies, you will see puppies on the road. So, they like that this dog was also born there, and bred on the earnings of garbage of the marketplace, that is whatever is available in the marketplace. You can see this street dogs will be searching in the dustbin what is available. He had spotty eyes, a small eye, and undistinguished carriage. That is, there is nothing specific to talk about its walk or how it posture. It is a normal dog what you see. And needless pugnacity, you know, pugnacity means fighting modes. Unnecessary, there is no need for them to fight amongst themselves, because a lot of food will be available in dustbin. Many people may be in the road also, they will feed in the shops, in bakery, in tea stall, everywhere people will give some food. Even then they will be fighting amongst each other, always they will be in a fighting mode. You all have seen these are the normal behavior, a normal appearance, how a normal street dog looks like. So, now let us go to the next page, starting with before. He was 2 years old. He had earned the scars of 100 fights on his body. When he needed rest on hot afternoons, he lay curled up under the culvert at the eastern gate of the market. In the evenings, he set out on his daily rounds, loafed in the surrounding streets and lanes, engaged himself in skirmishes, picked up edibles on the roadside, and was back at the market gate by nightfall. So, meanings we will see. Culvert, this purple color means it is given in the textbook, a passage for wastewater that passes under the road. There is a culvert near our school gate, you all know, school compound wall, where the water goes and gets collected in the water body. Further, there is a culvert, people sit on that culvert also, you may be seeing. Scars, scars means marks on the body after injuries got healed. Some of you will be definitely having, or most of you will be having, after when we fall or when there is a cut, something with the knife, for some reason we got injured, and then after it is healed there will be a mark. Some of us may be giving, instead of a mole or for identification also, we would have given a scar as one of the identification. That is, okay, next one more is there. Skirmishes, minor fights. So, this dog, before even it became 2 years old, he had hundreds of fights. You know, all these dogs, they do that. So, after they all got cured, there are a number of marks on his body. During the afternoons, whenever it is hot, he will normally be sleeping in the under the culvert, that is curled up. You know, curled up means as a round, like from the head to leg, it will look like a circle at the eastern gate of the market. So, market is, there is a market, the eastern side there is a gate. So, this is where the entire story is going to happen, and in the evenings it will start with its daily rounds. You know, the street dogs will be going from lane to lane without any purpose. Loafed, loafed means, we have seen already in one of the chapters, loafed means without any purpose, just lazily moving around. Sometimes there will be fights because there will be group of dogs in each and every street, they will be fighting amongst themselves. And then wherever on the roadside any edibles, eatable items it gets, edibles means eatables, it will take that and then come back to the market gate by nightfall for sleeping. This is the routine. So, in first page we saw how it looks like. This page it is given what are all its routine, daily what it does from morning to evening. Then comes a blind man, a blind man's arrival. This life went on for 3 years for this dog, and then occurred a change in his life. A beggar, blind of both eyes, appeared at the marketplace. An old woman led him up there early in the morning, seated him at the gate, and came up again at midday with some food, gathered his coins, and took him home at night. So, there are no difficult words in this page. So, this life for this dog went on for 3 years, and there was a change in his life. How the changes happen, that we will see in the next video. But we will now give an introduction to the blind man's arrival. There is a beggar. All of you, most of you would have got it, that he is a beggar as well as blind. Some of you would have got either he is a beggar or a blind. So, all are correct. He appeared at the marketplace. So, one lady used to bring him early in the morning, make him sit at the gate, and then she comes up in the afternoon, gives food, and the evening takes the coins, whatever is collected, because he is a beggar. So, people may be putting money in his bowl or in his cloth or anything, and in the night she takes him back home. This is what happened. This is the blind man has now arrived. So, we have now got two things, one the dog's appearance and routine, other is blind man's arrival. So, this is what we have seen in this video, read and understood beginning events of the story. So, the dog's appearance and its routine and arrival of the blind man. And in the next video, we are going to read some middle events of the story. It is not the entire middle events. The middle events may stretch across 2 or 3 videos. So, some of the middle events we are going to see in the next page. Now, all of you have understood what is the introduction to this story. So, there is a dog which is a very, very normal street dog, and it keeps roaming. Afternoons it sleeps, keeps roaming, collects some food, goes back to the market gate. So, this is its life. When there is a change, a blind man, both of a beggar, blind of both eyes, he arrives at the market helped by a lady. This is what is the introduction. So, as usual, 5 questions are there. Pause the video, note down these questions. After understanding this part of the chapter, then you attempt the questions. That's all for this video. Thank you.